What's up, y'all? It's Breakpoint. Today we're changing the fuel filter. It's a very, very neglected part of your car. It needs to be changed every 40 to 50,000 miles. But it's pretty easy. I have the aftermarket fuel filter cap. The regular one will just have like a slotted area for a screwdriver, but this aftermarket cap specifically is an inch. So we broke it for you already, but the part number for the fuel filter is Motorcraft 4596. Got it from AutoZone. Throw that over there. This is what the fuel filter will look like. And it should just come undone. If not, I didn't loosen it enough, obviously. We're just going to unscrew this for you, and we'll be right back. It's almost undone, actually. There we go. Oh, it's coming undone. Oh, yeah. Had this truck for about a couple months now. Definitely looks neglected. Don't worry, you'll get changed. All right, we're going to let this drain and we'll be right back. All right, y'all. So we got the old filter out, put the new one in. All it is, you just snap it in place. Make sure this part's on the bottom, the metal part. So put the new O-rings on, just like that. That goes in that little divot. This other O-ring will go right around where you put your fuel filter in. And you'll be able to see where I'm putting it. It's right there. Now, there's two ways to do this. The safe way is to siphon gas out of it. You grab a little siphon, but you can do it like this, but make sure you do it really slow. That way it gives a chance for the filter to absorb the fuel. Don't just plunge it in there because there's a lot of suction that's going to happen. So just give it a second. Let the fuel filter soak up all the diesel fuel. And just slowly push it in. Because you don't want that stuff leaking everywhere. It's no fun. And it should slide in like so. I'm going to leave it for a second. Let it soak up some fuel and we'll be right back. Okay, y'all. It's been about a minute, 2 minutes. I think it should be good. All we're going to do is we're going to tighten it down. Remember, go slow. You don't want to cause so much suction to where it's going to all come out. And it should be going in. Once it's seated correctly. All right, we're going to tighten this down and we'll be right back. All right, just the final touch, tightening that thing back down. You don't want to do it too tight because you might break it because it's plastic, remember, but it's pretty simple. I thought it was going to be a little more difficult than that, but it was pretty easy. So that's how you change the fuel filter on a 7.3 diesel. And we hope this helped you out, and we hope you enjoyed the video. Check out our other video on a 7.3 diesel, how to change the oil. Should be in the description and it'll pop up at the end of the video. But y'all, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.